emergencies, as well as supporting communities to be able to better prepare for disasters. So we work directly with the community-based disaster management committees, provide training and capacity building, as well as supporting the Civil Protection Authority to be able to institutionalize their laws as well as procedures. On the issue of human trafficking, I am unfortunately unable to comment on the numbers of human trafficking. However, in Timor-Leste, IOM works under 3 aspects. So we work to prevent trafficking in persons, also to protect people who have been trafficked out of the country as well as in the country, and also we work with law enforcement to support in the prosecution as well as investigation of trafficking. Here in Timor-Leste at the moment we work on a number of programs. One that works with the law enforcement in the country to help them to understand trafficking in persons, how to investigate the crime, as well as to identify victims of trafficking. Last year, in 2022, Timor-Leste adopted the Victim Identification Referral Guidelines, which supports law enforcement and other stakeholders in the country to identify victims of trafficking and help them to support and be reintegrated. IOM, we also work to assess the vulnerabilities in border communities. We work with UNICEF to understand what are the vulnerabilities amongst the communities that live along the border, what are the prevalence of trafficking, what is the elements of trafficking, and also work to protect especially vulnerable women and children when it comes to trafficking in persons.